Hi, I'm Kavya, and in case you didn't know this, I love coffee. Having posted endless coffee pictures on Instagram, come on, don't judge, it's a part of my daily routine. I have received numerous DMs from all of you asking me to share the way I make my coffee, and guess what? Here it is: 3 ways to make the best coffee at home. If you like what you see, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. rarely go out to grab an overpriced coffee anymore, and chances are you might be on that way too after watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate any of these coffees, then do tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your pictures and repost them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know every single time I post a video. So until the next time, bye!